everyone! We are now here in Pattaya, Thailand, and I'm going to do a room tour for the resort or hotel that we rented. So it's called Anan Resort and Villas Pattaya. So let's start with the living room. So there's a walk-in closet, I guess. This is what they call. Oh, they have lots of slippers to use. Amazing. It's fancy, so that's the name of the resort, Anan. And then this is the toilet. What the hell? Oh my god, it's so nice. Right? And then they also have things perfect Renesa. And then look at that. So fancy. And then of course in the shower. And there's the view. But you know, I think like it's kind of like the fluorescent is really like bad. And they have of course they don't have any kitchen, but they said that everything in the mini bar is free. There's the bed. There's the bedroom. And then there's a small living room here. And then there's a television. Television right there. And then they have a jacuzzi. Oh my god, I'm excited to use this. And they have this. Like you can chill here at night or have some me time, I guess. Yeah, this is so nice. And they also have this. To chill, watch the sunset. Look at the sunset. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah, I think Pattaya is also a beautiful city. And look at that, and then there's the beach that you can also access. So from here, you go down and go to the beach. I think the access is right there. And then I think there are also some restaurants if I'm not mistaken. And then yeah, so this is another building. So it's like a nice resort. And then there's a swimming pool there. There's also a swimming pool here. I'm not sure if you can swim here or it's just for those people who are on this apartment. So yeah, it's so nice. I mean, look at that. So cool, right? Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So yeah, that's a quick tour for our room here in Pattaya. And if you did like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow on my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you to stay golden.